Hi! On this video you will see what you can do with the new Microsoft Copilot feature called Edit with Copilot. Yes, today we are in Excel and I'm going to show you what you can do with it. So first, app skills, it's going away or probably already gone, as you can see on my tenant right now. But anyway, this is targeted release tenant, but anyways, it will go away soon, probably at the end of March. But anyways, and if you click right click on the Excel sheet, you still have your Copilot suggestions, show me interesting insights, etc, etc. But let's go here to the tools and edit with Copilot. Here we go. Work with Copilot to format, analyze and summarize content in your workbook while it applies edits directly. If you prefer responses in chat, you can stop editing. So you can choose Copilot or edit with Copilot. And of course, if you are opt-in to the Anthropic cloud models, then you can choose Cloud Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.2. But if you haven't done this, IT support usually does that, then you will only have this GPT 5.2. But what is Edit with Copilot? You can create something from scratch, you can edit, as I already told you from that text. So let's try it. I am planning my family meals for the next week. Can you give me some plans for next week meals? 2 adults and 2 children. Let's try that. And also give me some sort of money count what I need when I go buy them, of course. Let's try that. Yes, and this is gonna take a couple of minutes usually, so it's not a couple of seconds and done. In the meanwhile, I can tell you a couple of things about this feature. Editing with Copilot in Excel requires either an M365 personal or family subscription with an AI credits plan, Microsoft 365 Premium subscription, a commercial Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription, or a Copilot Chat eligible M365 or Office 365 Business or Enterprise subscription. And yes, premium subscribers can switch between Anthropic models and OpenAI models using the model picker. For both OpenAI and Anthropic models, editing with Copilot in Excel is currently supported in English, Spanish, Japanese, French, German, Portuguese, Italian and Chinese. For the latest OpenAI models, Korean, Dutch, Swedish, Polish, Portuguese, Norwegian, Turkish, Danish, Finnish, Chinese traditional, Thai, Czech, Hungarian, Ukrainian and Russian are also supported. Quality support for additional languages are coming soon. Yes, but let's wait a couple of minutes until we get our first draft and let's see, do we need to edit something? Yes, here we go. Here we have our first draft. Looks pretty cool, or doesn't. Maybe we need some editing here. That's a good demo so that we can do that. So let's write something. Can you check C5 to 11 and let's fix that C to F and 5 to 11 cells. The texts are not quite right there. Can you fix those? So let's continue. And yes, of course, we can do that in manual, of course, but the purpose of this demo is to show that you can do all of these kinds of things just to tell Copilot, can you fix that? So let me first take a closer look at the cells in the range of C5 and F11 to understand what's wrong with them, and let's see what the result will be. Hey, here we go. Fixes applied, and they look pretty cool. All your meal description in column C through F should now be fully visible, and they are. Perfect. And here we have budget breakdown by category: proteins, dairy, eggs, bread and grains, etc., etc. Estimated grand total 301. That is the total. Let me see the sources. Those are from US, but anyways, you got the idea. You got the idea. And money saving tips. That's pretty cool. Yes. But that is how Edit with Copilot works in Excel. It's also coming to Word and PowerPoint later on, but anyways, now you got to see how you can do that in Excel. So open Copilot chat, then Edit with Copilot, and then if you are opt-in to Anthropic, you can use Cloud Opus 4.6 or GPT 5.2. You can choose web mode. If you have activated that, you can add files, you can add work content, etc. But that's the way Edit with Copilot works in Excel.